Hello YouTube, today we're going to do another unboxing or unpackaging of another Røde accessory. This is the Dead Kitten. This is a furry windshield for the NT4, stereo video mic and also the Stereo Videomic Pro. Just having a look on the back of the packaging, we can see that it is a professional grade windshield designed to minimise wind noise when used in conjunction with the Røde Stereo Video Mic or the NT4 with the WS4 windshield. Okay, so let's get this baby opened. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a furry windshield to go over the microphone. It has an elasticated bottom there to make sure there's a tight fit and no wind can get in to the microphone through the opening. We also have a Røde tag stitched into it there. This is the black version. I have seen a grey version advertised elsewhere. I'm not sure if that's an older version and this is now the current version, the black one. But for me personally, the colour of it does not make an issue as long as it performs and does the job it's intended to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fit this onto my Røde Stereo Videomic Pro. But first of all, I'm going to mount it onto the Røde tripod, which I featured in my last video, and I'll provide a link in the description below if you wish to have a look at that as well. Okay, so here we have the Røde Videomic Pro on the tripod now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stretch open the opening where it goes over the microphone. Now this could be fun because I've not done this before, so let's see how it goes. Just make sure it seals all the way around. And the idea with these is to fluff it up, because the more fluffy it is, the more wind reduction it's going to give you. Okay, there we go. So next up, all I need to do now is wait for a windy day and I shall take it out for a field test and give you my thoughts and opinions on how it performs. Okay folks, so this is the first outdoor test we're doing on this channel. We've got the Dead Kitten fitted to the Røde Stereo Videomic Pro. The wind is blowing from directly behind me straight at the microphone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to step out a picture for 30 seconds and just give you some ambient audio of what the microphone's picking up with the Dead Kitten fitted. Okay folks, hopefully you can hear me. Now I have the Dead Kitten removed from the microphone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to step out a picture again for another 30 seconds so you can get an idea of how much wind noise there is on the Røde Stereo Video Mic without a Dead Kitten fitted. Okay folks, so we now have the Dead Kitten fitted back onto the microphone so you can hear me a bit better. This time I do have the low cut enabled on the microphone. In the last two tests, none of the audio settings were adjusted whatsoever. So as usual, I'd like to say a massive thank you for watching and a big kudos to my brother for being cameraman. If you'd like to purchase this Dead Kitten, I'll provide a link in the description below where you can purchase it from Amazon. And as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.